Before we begin, here are the tools we will use in this tutorial: stainless steel ball lock cable ties, a steel tie crimper, ball lock type, and a ball lock tie tensioner. Here is how the ball lock system works. Take the stainless steel tie and fold it into a loop using only your hands. Guide the pointed end through the ball lock head, and you will feel the locking ball engage automatically. This creates an instant, self-locking clamp that tightens as you pull. To release a ball lock tie, use another tie to lift the locking ball inside the head. Once the ball is lifted, the clamp opens and the tie slides free. Here is the steel tie crimper, ball lock type. This tool tensions and cuts the tie in one motion. Place the tie into the slot, squeeze the handle, and the crimper tightens the clamp and trims the excess automatically. Now let's take a closer look at how the ball lock crimper works on an actual pipe. Start by wrapping the stainless steel tie around the pipe and feeding the end through the ball lock head. Once the tie is in position, slide it into the crimper slot. As you squeeze the handle, the tool begins to tension the tie, pulling it tighter with every stroke. When the correct tension is reached, the crimper automatically cuts the excess tail, leaving a clean, secure, and professional finish. This ensures a strong and reliable installation every time. This is the ball lock tie tensioner. It is designed to tighten stainless steel cable ties quickly and with full control. The tool grips the tie, builds tension with each pull of the handle, and allows you to tighten the clamp precisely to the level you need. Now let's use the ball lock tensioner on the pipe. Place the tie around the pipe, thread it through the head, and insert the loose end into the tool. With each pull of the handle, the tensioner tightens the tie securely and evenly. When the correct tension is reached, use the cutting function to remove the excess and complete a clean, professional installation.